Hey guys, how are you? In this video, we're gonna talk about 5 coolest gadgets for car. So, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned with us. Number 5, car washing brush. It is a simple charger. Its import USB reading and charging function smart 3.18 charge port, which can intelligently identify Android or iPhone device and charging. More capable wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter adapter for car, radio transfer and calling. To car speaker compatible for iPad, iPhone, Samsung, Google, LG and more devices. Hands-free function built-in microphone which to handle free mode automatically from music playing status when receiving calls, answers and receiving call in one. Car battery voltage function show 3 seconds voltage when plugged into charger port. Number 4, 3-port car fast charger. High output can fast charge all previewing phones at the same time. The PD port 3x faster on charging speed can fast charge Note 10 and all iPhone and all brands of mobiles. Charge 3.0 port charge devices from 0 to 80% with 35 minutes. Compatible with all phones. This charger charges 2 devices at one time and fast. The solid full aluminum alloy body features expressed texture and durable lifetime and protects your device from overheating or voltage or current. Number 3, dual dash cam. Establishment in 2009 throughout has become an industry leader in home and personal security technology. We are the go-to brand for millions looking for high-quality products at great price. Whether you need to guard your car, ensure your safety while driving, or protect yourself from hit and run accidents, you get covered. In 1.5-inch LCD screen, the Gloss HD dual lens dash cam simultaneously records both front and inside. Number 2, call lock. If you are like most people, you hear a car alarm almost every single day. 95% of them are false alarm and people have learned to ignore them as minor daily enemies. Car thieves couldn't be happier. They no longer fear the alarm because it is no longer alarming to those that hear it. This means car thief is on the rise and it's almost impossible not to think about your might be next. Call lock is better than alarm. It's a real-time tracking system that mentions your vehicle and alarms your auspicious activity. Even if you're halfway around the world, this is all managed through an app on your Android or iOS device. Easy to install, easy to use for all cars. Number 1, car door step. Easy access to roof, lower and strap down car top, cargo bags, boxes, cannons and everything, and wash your vehicle's roof. Aircraft grade aluminum construction makes the Moki door slab lightweight yet strong enough to support. Easy to install.